Right, just completing fitment of the tap on this new kitchen after the stone countertops have been installed. And this is all the pipework behind. The last thing is to check for any possible leaks or anything. If it's all fine, then we can fit all the paneling back. Now what we made here is one of the redundant shelves that sits across the back, so no fixings, it just rests against these modesty blocks we got on both sides. Like that. Then one of these shelf lugs needs to be replaced at the back, and then one of these wall cabinet shelves. You click back on. There you go. Voila, nice and neat. And the sink cupboard. All the pipework is behind, easily accessible in case of any emergency or anything. All you need to do is lift this shelf up, pull that panel out, everything is there. There you go. Thank you very much.